Hello my beautiful people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today I'll show you several braided but simple hairstyles using scarves. Because it's fun, simple, but so intricate looking. Gives a pop of color, make your hairstyle fuller, and overall it looks just awesome. And so useful for summer. As you are watching this video, make sure to tell me in comments down below which of these hairstyles are your favorite. And also, if you have 150 likes, I promise you to make part 3 and I'll share even more ideas. So without rambling, let's get started.
So for our first hairstyle, we'll grab our top section, folding our small scarf into two. We want to tie it over our section and use our scarf as our strands, and we want to adhere to the side strands before crossing under the middle one. This is basically a Dutch braid, and about our eyebrow level we'll finish our Dutch braiding, and we'll continue with a simple 3-strand braid without adding hair, tying it with a clear elastic. For our second hairstyle, we'll grab our top section, incorporating the hair from behind our ears like I'm showing, and we want to make a topsy tail. So basically we'll make a ponytail, we'll make a opening and bring the ponytail through this opening, loosen it up a little bit, and then you want to tuck it into the elastic underneath your topsy tail, your favorite scarf, making the ends of the scarf equal. And then we want to spread our hair, creating a 3-strand braid, incorporating this scarf and all our hair as well. And we want to make our simple 3-strand braid, tie the ends using a clear elastic, loosen it up to make it beautiful looking, and you're done. For our third hairstyle, we will need, of course, a little longer scarf than in our half updo, and we will incorporate it as we did in our first hairstyle. We grab our top section and tie over it our scarf. Make sure the ends are equal, and then we want to use the scarf as our strands, and we'll create a Dutch braid. So basically we adhere to the side strands before crossing under the middle one. So you want to continue this step over and over again until you have no more hair to add. Make sure that your top section is full and beautiful. If you want, you can leave some hair out, but that's optional of course. And you want to continue your braid until you have no more hair to add, finishing with a simple 3-strand braid. Make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic. You want to pull it a bit if you want, and you're done. Cute, right? For our fourth hairstyle, we'll make a very high ponytail, incorporate a very long and maybe a thicker scarf, and we want to wrap our scarf around the ponytail several times. Then you want to divide your ponytail into two and incorporate these sections into our scarf as well. So we want to twist each of these strands one way and then twist them around each other opposite way. So basically, as you can see, this is a simple rope braid but incorporating a scarf as well. As you finish your braid, make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic, then use one end of your scarf, wrap it around the elastic, but make sure to tuck it into the elastic, the end of this scarf. And yes, you're done. So cute and colorful looking, right? For our next hairstyle, I'll grab again a small scarf because my hair is medium length, and then grabbing my top section, I'll incorporate my scarf into my braid. So basically I'll use my scarf as a side strand of a French braid. So basically we adhere to the scarf before crossing over the middle hair strand. I hope that you understand what I mean. And then you do the same thing on opposite side, and then we will continue a simple French braid, but make sure to tighten your braid because we are not tying the scarf before making this braid. But if you find that for you is hard this step, you can definitely tie it first, as we did with our Dutch braid. So we want to continue our French braid, but as we are reaching our ear level, make sure to braid a little higher your braid, so this way you will make a pocket for our updo. Now you want to make a 3-strand braid, tie them using a clear elastic. Then you want to roll up your braid like I'm showing and pin it using bobby pins inside of our created pocket. And you're done! For our last hairstyle, we'll need again a very high ponytail for this and a long scarf. Then we want to tuck it into the elastic, the scarf, measure it of course to make it even, and then we want to twist our hair around the scarf, tie the ends using a clear elastic and repeat with section left. Then you want to wrap your hair around the ponytail, and then you want to bring the ends of the scarf in the front. Make sure as you're bringing back to hide the ends of our hair. Tie a bow if you want, or you can leave the ends out. Make sure to pin your bun in place, especially if your hair is heavy, but don't ruin your scarf, okay? We're basically done.
I hope that you enjoyed this video so far. If you do, don't forget about thumbs up, as I promised 150 likes, and I'm making next part. Also guys, if you're new, don't forget about subscribe and bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. That's it for today. But you know, I love you so much and you cannot do anything with that.